my channel. It's Alexis Nicole here. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing with Luvme hair. This is a really quick video. I just got this package in today. The UPS guy just dropped it off, so I was like, let me just do a video for y'all so y'all can see what this hair looks like straight out of the box. Okay, I've ordered from Luvme hair before, and then they've also sent me this wig. This wig that I have on now is from Luvme hair. I've had this wig for maybe like 2 months now. I already did a video on it, so I'm gonna put that in the cards here so y'all can check that video out. I just put it back on recently, and it's still soft, still pretty. This is a straight wig, but it holds the curls beautifully. So yeah, I ordered another wig with my own money. This is a 5x5 16-inch closure wig. So I just wanted to show y'all what I got. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel for more videos coming soon. If you want to check your girl out, and without further ado, let's just get into it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and let's see what Luvme got for us today. So yeah, this video literally I just got home from the store, and it was a package at my door, and I said, let's do a video real quick. Like I said, I've already ordered from Luvme hair before, so I was like, let me just go ahead and just show y'all what I got. I don't even know if people still do unboxing videos, but if not, I'm doing one for y'all, and I'm bringing it back. We got to bring it back. We got to go back to the old ways, the old YouTube unboxing videos. Okay, so if y'all like these videos, please let me know, and I'll keep doing them for y'all, because I have wigs on wigs on wigs that I can do unboxing videos for. So if y'all like these type of videos, then let me know, and I can do them for y'all. Yeah, like I was saying, this is like an off the script video. I got this wig today from Luvme hair. This wig that I have on now is actually from this company, and I absolutely love this wig. Like right now it looks crazy. Like it absolutely looks crazy right now. It's not even glued on. Like I literally just put this on for the video. And I love this hair. Like the curls, this is a straight wig, straight bob wig. They sent this wig to me for free, I think maybe like 2 months ago, and I've just loved it ever since. And I was like, I need to order from this company again, but this time I use my own money. So let's just get into this hair. They had a sale on their website for Valentine's Day, or it was like $30 off, $50 off, $80 off. I think it's still going on, to be honest. So this wig that I bought was originally $219, and then I got $50 off, so it ended up being like $169. So I was like, yeah, of course I want it, right? And I wanted another mid-length wig, because all of my wigs are usually like long. I don't really have anything that's like mid-length or like bob. So I was like, let me just get a new wig. Like, why not, you know? So I bought it. And a discount came in handy. So everything worked out well. Like I said, this is Luvme hair. The box is absolutely like so pretty. I don't know if this is like suede or what, I don't know, but the box is absolutely so pretty. It is purple, as you can see. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like here. It has a note here that says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, the founder of Luvme hair. So that's who owns it, Helena. Hey girl, what's up? How you doing? Okay, so when you open the box, you move that part away. You have the wig here that's in this like really cute see-through bag, kind of similar to what the box is. So absolutely so cute. It has Luvme on there, and then it just says affordable luxury wig, and then it has the website. And then after that, you take the paper out, and it has a bag here, full of goodies. So this is another bag they give you that says Luvme. It has like goodies in here. I'll show y'all that in a second. And then here's the actual box. It just has a flyer, I guess. Yeah, and it just gives you like how to take care of the hair, return, refund, how to use the hair, how to take care of it, questions about the hair that you may have. So that's what's in here. Then they give you a comb. You know, we love these, the 3-in-1. Yeah, we love that. So inside this hair bag, you get some pressed on nails. Oh, and then they give you like the stickies to put them on with. Okay, that's cool. So we have some pressed on nails here They are coffin, long, and yellow. So that's those. And then you also get some lashes. The box literally just looks like the bigger box. These are 3D lashes here. Here's what these look like. These are really cute. Ooh. Those are really cute. And then you get some like rhinestone hoop earrings. And then you also get I think these are called pop sockets or sock pockets. You put these on the back of your phone, and then you can like hold your phone and, you know, do what you got to do with it. And then you also get a scrunchie. So that's really cute. So yeah, those are the goodies that you get in the bag. And then on to the hair, I guess. I told y'all this is going to be real quick. I just wanted to show y'all the wig that I got because I absolutely love this company since I've been wearing this wig. It's just so manageable. Like, I've had this hair on for maybe like 3 weeks now, and it's absolutely still soft. The wig didn't come like, oh, I'm sorry. The wig did come like this, like highlighted. I just put some purple shampoo on it and just let it sit, and then that's how it came out to this like ash blonde looking color. Absolutely so cute. Okay, so here's the wig here. I don't know if I told y'all, I got a 5x5 wig. So this is a 5x5 closure wig. I only wear closure wigs. I don't really know how to do a frontal yet. Sorry, that's not my lane. So I got a 5x5 closure wig, and here's what it looks like. The hair is, off the jump, the hair is really thick. I think this is 180% density. And it's definitely giving you that. You can tell that they kind of curled it, because this is supposed to be a loose wave wig. You can kind of tell that they put some curls in it somehow. Sorry if y'all hear my dog in the back. He's on punishment. Here's the wig. I don't know if y'all can see, but the knots are small. We like that. Yeah, they have small knots on here all the way to the back of the lace. So that's really, really good. And then here's the lace here. This is I want to say it's not transparent, but it's definitely given like medium brown. It looks transparent here on the screen, but it's definitely like tinted a little bit. So I would say this is like a medium brown tint lace, but it matches my skin very well. So if you're lighter than me, you could definitely wear this. And if you're darker than me, you can definitely like put some makeup on it to make it look how you want to. But the hair is really soft. I'm not getting any shedding. That's just like, I don't know what that was. It looked like lint, to be honest. But I'm not getting any shedding from this at all. The hair is really, really soft. I love this hair. They did cut it because, as you can see, this here in the back is not as long as the outsides of the hair. The closure is really thick. I can tell that it does have some flyaways, but nothing that's not manageable. So from off the jump, this hair looks really, really good. This is 16 inches. I feel like it is 16 inches because this one is 12, I think. So if we're doing a comparison, I definitely think this is 16 inches. I love the color. It's like a dark brown, like natural brown. So that's really, really pretty. All of my other wigs are like black. So it'll be cool to go from this to like a brown. That'll look really, really pretty. The lace looks good. I can't wait to like bleach the notch to see how the wig comes out. Okay, and then on the inside, it has these clips here. I took 2 of them out. I don't like the clips. Like, I really don't like the clips. I took 2 of them out. So as you can see, I kind of like took a blade that you use to cut your lace, and that's how I took the clips out. So I took these out. I would show y'all. I don't have any scissors. I would show y'all how I do it. It's really easy. You just take the blade and just cut off the string, and then it'll just pop right off. It also came with a elastic band. I cut that off too because I didn't want like double tension. Now, one thing I will say, I've already tried this wig on and it's definitely big. They said it was going to be like a 22-inch wig. My head is small, so I have a small head, so this type of wig, I can make it work, but it is big. It's big for me at least, and I like for my wigs to be snug, so I already put the wig on the last two, not the last two, but I put the clips directly in the middle so that the wig could fit my hair, right? Fit my head, sorry. So this is like, it fits my head because of the clips, but then like the actual like inside of the wig is kind of like big. So yeah, but I'm excited about it. I love this hair so much. I love that they gave me the goodies. They also gave me a $5 certificate. I guess you can use this. Oh, valid for 3 months. Okay, cool. You just put in a code, and then yeah, if y'all want this, y'all can have it. Here's it. It's the $5 gift card, and then here's the code here if y'all want to use that. But yeah, I love this hair. I absolutely love this hair. I love this company. I can't wait to try it on. As a matter of fact, let me put it on now so I can see what it looks like on my head, and then I'll be back. So here's what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, like it's kind of like lifted. That's because the wig is like big for my head. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but I'll have to figure it out. But other than that, here's what the hair looks like. It's giving like very, very natural. It is. Like the hair isn't too thick, but then it's not too thin either. So it looks really, really good. I don't know if I want to do a middle part. I might do a side part. It's giving side part. What y'all think? I like the side part. Can y'all see it? Like, can y'all see the side part? But the hair is so pretty. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of shine to it, but it has enough to where the hair doesn't look like synthetic. But I love it so much. This hair company is great. Like, I don't know. And to be honest, y'all, I don't really like paying a lot for my wigs, but I also want good quality. I know that's kind of like contradicting. Like, I want good quality, but then I want like cheaper priced wigs. But most of the time I get it. Like, the wigs that I buy, I don't get them like really, really expensive, but then the quality still be good. And at the same time, like, I know how to take care of my wigs. So hold on, let me take this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I was saying was, I know how to take care of my hair. So I've been wearing wigs for a while now, and I'm pretty sure I know how to take care of my hair, and I know how to take care of my wigs in a manner to where I know where they can stay long, last long, and then I can wear them over again, right? So I don't mind it being at a cheaper price, but then I want good quality, and this right here is cheap price and good quality. If you do want to buy this wig, I'll put the link in the description box down below, and then I'll also put the link to the website down below, so y'all can check this hair out. I absolutely love it. Like I said, the closure is great, the knots are small, and the lace isn't transparent, but it's transparent enough to where you can manipulate it to match your scalp or your head in the manner that you want it to. The hair is really thick. I love it. I don't know what their longer lengths will be. This is a 16-inch like I was telling y'all. So from my eyes, this is like a really, really, really full and nice wig. Very natural, but still giving you what you want. So yeah. I'll put everything linked down below. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this was very like last minute. I did not plan this. Like, you see my background, like it's in my room. I'm on my floor in my room doing this video for y'all. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this like quick little video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Stay tuned for a video on how I do this hair. Y'all know I always show y'all how I do my hair, even if it's in like a get ready with me or if it's in like a mini vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you, Luvme Hair, for sending me this hair, even though I did pay for it myself. Y'all still have like great quality hair, so thank you for that. And yeah, hopefully I answered everything that I should have answered. If not, go ahead and leave the questions in the comment section down below, then I'll answer those for you. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Talk to you all later. Bye.